Let's take a look at how to set up a new LinkedIn profile. In order to demonstrate this, throughout the parts of this tutorial, I'll be creating a fictitious profile for Bob Hooper, who's the creative director at North American Filtration. I'm currently on the LinkedIn homepage, and from here, I can log in or sign up. You can also do this by navigating to linkedin.com. Now, this is the case. I'm going to be creating a new account. So I'm going to set up the top and select Join Now. Keep in mind that the look and layout of this sign up page may change, but the process for signing up will always be the same. So these fields are pretty intuitive. First, I'm going to put in Bob's email address. And next, I'll create a password. When creating a password, I recommend creating a quality one to keep your account protected. I suggest a password with 8 or more characters, including upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. For example, a punctuation mark. Make sure, however, that you create a password that you'll remember. And if you do write it down, keep it in a very private and secure spot. Finally, once I have this filled in, I'm going to click on Agree and Join. Now I need to enter some information. First of all, first name and last name. And then I'll hit Continue. Next, LinkedIn may ask for some sort of security verification. In the case it hasn't, as it is right now, you'll just have to move on. LinkedIn wants to make sure that I'm not a robot. All right, it says, welcome, Bob. Let's start your profile. Connect to people you know. So right here, I'm putting in my country or region. I'm going to enter in my zip code. And as you can see here, that it'll then auto-populate my location. I'll hit next. Here they ask for a recent job title. Now in this case, I'm going to go in and put creative director because that is Bob's current role. Now, once I put in creative director, it's asking me my employment type. In this case, full-time. And most recent company. So in this case, it's North American Filtration. I'll select it there and then click on to continue. Next, they may want to confirm your email. So they will send you a verification email to the email address that you used to register. I'll switch over to Bob's Gmail account. And from here, I can see that they sent verification with the number 813549. I'll go back here. I'll type in 813549. I'll click Agree and Confirm. Now, are you looking for a new job? In this case, they're trying to customize your account and make sure that it's the right fit for you. Your answer here won't be shown to others. I'm going to click Right Now, Not Now. I'll come back to this one. I'll click on Connecting with People, lets you see updates and keep in touch. So here, you can start to follow certain people if you want. I'm going to go to the bottom and click Skip. We'll take a look at this stuff later. Now, adding a photo helps people recognize you. So you can add a photo right away. Again, this is something that we'll take a look at in a little while, so I'm going to click on Skip. Here you can get the LinkedIn app if you'd like. And they do have a very powerful mobile app that I do recommend getting. For right now, though, I'm going to click Skip. They let you know to follow companies, hashtags, and more to stay updated. But in this case, I'm going to click Finish. And like that, I've created an account for Bob Hooper. Now here's where I want to bring up an important point. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make with regards to your LinkedIn account is to create a basic LinkedIn profile and then do nothing with it. When people search for you online and find an empty LinkedIn profile, it won't really portray the message that you would like to portray. It makes people wonder if you don't know how to complete it or if you just don't care. But let's not worry about that for now. Throughout the next tutorials, we'll get into your account setup and get it looking sharp so that you can leave the impression that you'd like to.